Hi everyone, Sean here from Mission 4x4. Today we're gonna go through step by step and show you how we're gonna install Mission 4x4 rear going window for the 76 series Landcruiser. To remove the existing glass window, you need the plastic trim remover, a ratchet with 14mm socket and a deep 10mm socket. To install the going window, you need a power tool, if you have one, a ratchet, and a 1/4" Allen key. Let's go ahead and show you the process. Using a 14 socket, we're gonna go ahead and remove the bolt for the seat belt. Now removing the pinch weld around the door frame. Using the trim remover, we're gonna go ahead and remove the trim on the back pillar. Using a deep 10mm socket, we're gonna go ahead and remove the 2 nuts on the top. And if you have a cargo barrier, you need a short extension. After removing the 2 nuts from the top, now we go ahead using the same deep 10mm socket and remove the second 2 here. This vehicle has a fitted cargo barrier, so it's easy access from the back. Next step, removing the 2 Phillips screws which located at the back, holding the latch for the glass window. Before removing the rear 2 Phillips screws, you need an extra hand to hold the window in place. If you don't have a helper, just place a masking tape on the window as you see here. After removing the glass window, we're gonna go ahead and clean the panel. Mission 4x4 going fits using the existing pinch weld. In the kit, you will receive 2 small rubber forms. This will be placed over the existing mounting holes. Mission 4x4 going windows comes with a clamping system, so there is no drilling required. After placing the window on the car, now using the bolts that's supplied in the kit, go ahead and place the 3 bolts at the back and the 3 bolts at the front. Have your helper to fit the clamp system brackets with the nut. Don't over tighten the nuts. This will allow you to make an adjustment if needed. After fitting the clamp systems inside, now go ahead and check the gap between the curve of the going windows and the rear barn door. If you are happy with the gap, go ahead and tighten the nuts. Thank you for watching. This was Mission 4x4 going window for LC76. For more product and video, please refer to our website or YouTube channel, and we look forward to hear from you.